In this recording, question 7 sizobe discuss Euclidean geometry as well as triangular formulas. So basically, into abayenzile bahlanganise two yama topics. Like they merged two topics, Euclidean as well as triangular formulas. Your cosine rule, sine rule, area rule, right? Now in the description box, uzothola links for other recordings for this question paper. So our question 7, lana bathi in the diagram PR. In the diagram, PR is a diameter of the circle. So PR is diameter, right? Ngoba ipasa through the midpoint or the center of the circle. Triangle PQR is drawn with vertex Q outside the circle. Now vertex Q. Angle R is equal to theta, and then PR is equal to QR. Now it's 2y. So the lengths of the side, the lengths of the sides for the triangle, they are expressed in terms of y. And then PQ is what is equal to y. 7.1 determine the value of cos theta. So this cos theta, we can only produce this cos theta. Okay, bear in mind. Cos theta is a trigonometric ratio, right? But trigonometric ratios as konogwa apply on any triangle except for a right angle triangle. So the only way to produce the cos theta from this triangle, ngoba theta is inside the triangle, is if and only if we apply triangular formulas. In our case, the cosine, sine rule as well as the area rule. But lana so apply a cosine rule. Why? Because of we have to find the value of cos theta and check this triangle has gomba na, has exposed with okay. I'm given angle theta I'm given this side, the adjacent sides between the angle theta as well as the length of the opposite side of this angle. So therefore, Lana's gonna apply the cosine rule. We can apply the cosine rule, right? So apply the cosine rule to find a value of cos theta. So the cosine rule for this triangle, with reference to this angle, it's PQ squared equal to QR squared PR squared minus 2 QRPR times cos theta. This is the cosine rule, the formula for a cosine rule, right? And then we substitute again. Lana it's y squared, 2y squared minus 2y times 2y minus 2 times 2y times 2y cos theta, right? Then this one you see y squared, this one is equal to 4y squared, this one is equal to 4y squared, and then this one 2 times 2 is 4. It's 4. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, so y times y is y squared. So answer it goes about 8y squared. So now again, and then this y squared and this y squared are like terms, except for 8y squared. So what is 8y squared plus 4y squared? 4y squared plus 4y squared is equal to 8y squared. Now, since ngifuna ukwenza cos theta the subject of the formula, ngizothatha this negative 8y squared cos theta ngitransposele to the left and then bring this y squared to the right. So siyaswapha, this one is angapha, this one is angapha, but this y squared nayifika ngaphi yoba negative, this 8y squared yofika ibe positive. Then we divide both sides by 8y squared. But first lana yosinikeza ubani 8y squared minus y squared, that's 7y squared. Then it's divided both sides by 8y squared and making cos theta the subject of the formula. Then lesia cancelana and our cos theta is equal to 7/8. So now I answer it again. 7.2. If QR cuts the circumference of the circle at T, determine PT in terms of y and theta. Ukuphi T la ngimbona T. Now uQT I mean QR cuts the circumference of the circle. Ikata kuphi? Ikata la, right? So now ikata lapha, it means our T is somewhere here. If QR cuts the circumference at T, la T, determine PT. Determine PT in terms of Y and theta, right? So in order to calculate PT, interesting. Okay. Bheka ke manje. Bheka la. It's either okay, I can use this triangle or this triangle for finding length ka PT. Guess what ke? This line ka PT, it divides this triangle ka PQR into two triangles. Triangle 1, triangle 2, and they are both right angle triangles. What about this angle? It's 90 degrees. Remember ngitheni? It's a combination of Euclidean geometry nama triangular formulas. So lana, why is it 90 degrees la? It's because of we have a line PR which is a diameter, and a diameter kusekele isipha ini an angle of 90 degrees, right? Sibane angle in a semicircle. This 90 degrees is an angle in a semicircle. So angle PT R is equal to 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle. Voila. So it's no 90. It also means that nangapau 90 degrees. So instead of okay. Ngifuna length PT. I want the length kabani ka PT, right? Let's use the triangle number 2. In triangle P, let's say RTP. In triangle RTP, triangle number 2, I can use a trigonometric ratio. Since this is a right angle triangle, there's no need of ukusebenzisa ama triangular formula. Since this is a right angle triangle, I can use ama trigonometric ratios for finding the unknown side, right? So lana ke yipi trigonometric ratio involve the hypotenuse as well as the opposite side. This is the angle in question. Okay. All right. Yeah, singayisebenzisa na this one. Yeah, singayispanisa na this one. But anyway, but the easiest way to deal with this problem is if we uthatha triangle number 2, ngoba ku triangle number 1 sakufuneka ucalculate le angle yala in terms of theta, or this angle yala in terms of theta. So it's best to stick to triangle number 2. So according to SOHCAHTOA, we sifuna a trigonometric ratio enani in a hypotenuse as well as the opposite side. I'm given the hypotenuse, I'm looking for the opposite side. Hypotenuse, opposite side. So sebenzisa usine la. Sine angle bani theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite ubani PT divided by the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse here to bani PR. So it's PR here. So sine theta is equal to PT over PR ubani 2y. Therefore our answer after cross multiplying now PT is equal to 2y okay, shall I space la. So our answer now PT, or I think ibhale lapha phezulu. Oh yeah, or even la. So our answer la PT uzoba equal to 2y sine theta, right? Uzoba equal to 2y, ngoba it's over 1 la. 1 times PT, it's PT. 2y times sine theta is 2y sine theta. So now I answer here together. So our question 7 iphelela lana. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. I hope we enjoyed this video. Very short, but you know, I felt like doing this one, guys, from this question paper November 2015. In the description box uzothola ama links for other recordings for this question paper. So for now, asibonane on the next one. But ungakhohlwa uku-like, ungakhohlwa uku-share, ungakhohlwa uku-commenta, ungakhohlwa uku-subscribe if you're new to this channel. So for now, asibonane on the next one. Bye bye.